Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. There are many easy winter flowering plants that we can grow from cuttings. They also root quite fast if we do everything the right way. To grow from cuttings, always take the new growth, something like this one. The procedure is same for all the plants. Anyway, we are going to take a look at the complete procedure with result. But before that, let's take a look at all the plants very quickly. Now here are 3 more plants which are usually propagated by dividing, not by cuttings. To be able to divide them, they should have more than one offshoots. For example, here you can see me dividing one of my Gerbera plant. Divide them carefully along with the roots and plant them in fresh potting soil mix. After that, keep the pot only in shady area for next few days and provide sunlight only after you see some new growths on those new plants. Here is the result after 35 days. The mother plant is already blooming, as we can see. The other one has also produced the new buds. So I got 2 new plants from one easily. Similar to Gerbera plants, other plants that you can divide are on number 28 Gazania and on number 29 Oxalis. Though oxalis are usually grown from very small bulbs, but you are going to get the result much faster by dividing them. Now let's see how to propagate the other plants by cutting. As an example, I am taking nasturtium here. Simply take a new growth and cut below a node. Remove the lower leaves and we can keep the other leaves as it is. For medium, use either sand or coco peat, but I prefer to use sand. Also try to use small pot. Pre-wet the sand and then insert around 1 to 1.5 inches inside the sand. Next, press very gently to support the cutting. After that, we need to keep the pot only in shade and water only when the sand is dry. If you like, you can check out the video about nasturtium propagation simply clicking on the I button on top right corner, or you are also going to find the link to that video in the description box. This is the result after 30 days, but the new cutting started to bloom just after 11 days. As you can see, cutting has produced the roots really well. We can do the exact thing for other plants, as the procedure is same, not adding footage for each plants, or else video is going to be very long. Just yesterday I have uploaded a video about more winter flowering plants that can be grown from bulbs, tubers, combs and rhizomes. For more info, please check out the next video. Hope you found this video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. Thank you so much for watching, really appreciate it. Have a great time and enjoy.
Bye bye, see you later.